had a question about basically just how should someone choose what career to take, basically.
Like in general, what career to take?
Yes.
Okay, so that's I think you're asking a simple question. So so first of all, if a person has a certain talents, and I think I read from Mislat Yesharim, I don't know how many classes ago, but it says clearly that a person is obligated to see, like to investigate herself, and see their strong points and his or her talents. Because why? These talents are gifts that Hashem gave you. So it's not like you have to brag and be very, very like proud about. No. But you have to understand that these areas when Hashem wants you to serve Him in. So and if you can go in one of these careers, so it's good. So of course it must be modest. So it cannot be something immodest, like too much interaction with with the genders, right? When people are very, very friendly, right? It should not be one of that, and it should not be one of the career that people tend to work overtime, right? Always like work non-stop, like in some other, I don't know, maybe like IT. So I used to work in IT. So that's work on 7 days for all other people. 7 days a week. It was absolutely normal to work 7 days a week, and in the middle of the night, and you see email 3 o'clock in the morning. He was checking. He found a bug in the program. It's like unbelievable. So such a job we do not need. So try to have a like simple job, or whatever is going to pay your bills, right? And not overwork. So just work. So when they allow you to work, just regular hours. So all of the extra hours, just leave for somebody else. Like we have this. For example, is he here? No, he's not here. A person. He's a nurse, male nurse. Okay, so many times it's situation is good, right? And he works his 4 days, but sometimes they have shortage, right? And the hospital try to save money because every person costs a lot of money, and somebody goes to vacation, and this poor person has to work. It's not out of his choice. It's not he would better spend with his family, but they force him because shortage of staff to work an extra shift and extra 12 hours. Guess what? 12-hour shifts. It's not normal. I mean, for them it's normal. But what I'm trying to say, so you don't go in such a field. You know, if you're already in such a field, then that's one thing. But otherwise, like, don't put you in that situation when they're going to force you very long hours. So why? Because you have to live Jewish life, and you have to study Torah, and you have to have time for praying with a minyan 3 times a day, right? And learn Torah, because this work, I mean, of course we have to do a good job, and don't desecrate Hashem's name at work. So but if you go, for example, to some of this like IT and for example, I was working in IT, but I was working only like minimum hours. They did not give me raise for 15 years. So I mean, but I was fine. They did not give bonuses. I was fine. You understand? I mean, they give me like small raise compared to others, like bonuses. Others, like I was fine because they people want to work. We have few people, right? Like some didn't have. They work for on a visas, like working visas, so they try very, very hard. Like okay, let them make all of the money. I just need a job. I just need like medical insurance. I need to do my minimum, like whatever requirements. But I never work extra. I mean, sometimes extra, but it's like a very, very like exceptional amount, like circumstances. That's it. You understand? But I in the beginning I started to work like that, and when they push more, so I push back. You understand? So that's why they didn't give me a raise. I was fine. They never gave me promotions. I was fine. You understand? But they like from the beginning. So if they if they expect from you to work all of the crazy hours, you cannot sign up because you're going to cheat. So I did not sign up for the hours. They changed the policy, but I said no, thank you. Others say yes, we're going to do it. Let them do it. Let them make 50% more than I have no problem with that. I was making enough money to survive to feed my family. That's fine. I don't need all this. So that's we have to remember that this life is only temporary. It's not about business and not about a career. It's about just pay your rent, pay your food, give tzedakah, and have a Jewish family. That's it. Pay your children education, buy your wife flowers, right? So diamonds are not obligation. Flowers, yes. Okay, what else?